Required to find the value of k. Given that the sum of 4 times x squared and 10 times k times x and 2 times c equals 0. Use the general formula for quadratic equation. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all divided by 2 times a. Substitute these values and we have that x equals negative 10 times k plus or minus the square root of the square of 10 times k minus the product of 4 times 2 times c all divided by 2 times 4. It implies that after simplification, x equals negative 10 times k plus in bracket 100 times k squared minus 32 times c all divided by 8. And x equals negative 10 times k minus in bracket 100 times k squared minus 32 times c all divided by 8. Sum the roots and we have that the result to be equals to negative 10 times k minus 10 times k all divided by 8, which equals to 5. It means that negative 20 times k divided by 8 equals 5. Cross multiply and we have that negative 20 times k equals 8 times 5, which equals 40. Divide the equation by negative 20. It signifies that k equals negative 40 divided by 20, which equals to negative 2. Therefore, the correct option is D.